What's up guys, I'm back with brand new video. In this video we're gonna talk about some latest tech stories. And before moving to these, you guys subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video you will get the notification. First story coming from Oneplus, which confirmed the device gonna have a pop-up camera. Case renders also surfaced online which confirmed the device gonna have a pop-up camera. In these cases you can see there's a cutout on top of the device. So obviously this cutout gonna be for the pop-up camera of OnePlus 7. This time OnePlus 7 gonna have 6.5-inch AMOLED panel without any notch. There will be no any distraction on the display. The display will be clean and clear. This case is also confirmed the device gonna have triple camera setup on the back, and there will be no headphone jack on this device as there is no cutout for the headphone jack on these cases. The second story coming from Samsung, which tell the Galaxy Note 10 gonna have 4 smartphones in the lineup. There were leaks couple of days before telling there will be a smaller Galaxy Note 10 device. It would be called as Galaxy Note 10e. But this time story says Galaxy Note 10 gonna have 4 smartphones in the lineup along with the Galaxy Note 10e. This report claiming that the fourth device gonna be the 5G model. As we have seen in the Galaxy S10 series, there was a 5G Samsung Galaxy S10. So in this time Samsung is planning to produce 4 Galaxy Note 10 devices. The Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Note 10e, and the last one Note 10 5G. Moving to the next story, which is coming straight from the Samsung. They have uploaded a video, and in this video they are confirming the merger of J series to the A series. So Samsung new A series is actually the J series, and if you are waiting for your favorite J smartphone, you better stop waiting and get your hands on the newest A series smartphone. Due to the merger of J series to the A series, Samsung has recently rolled out an Android Pie update for Samsung Galaxy J8 2018 model. This update also brings Samsung latest One UI skin to the J8. Another story coming from Samsung, and it's about the event that Samsung is pulling on tomorrow. Tomorrow Samsung gonna launch Samsung Galaxy A90, and there will be some other devices, but Samsung Galaxy A90 will be the star of the show. So that's for now, and if you like this format, give a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video you will get the notification. Until next time, peace out.